Was there another attempt to derail a train, and this time in Ajmer? The visuals that have surfaced, and remember there's now what the intelligence agencies are looking at, that are these simply accidents, or in some cases have there been specific sabotage as well. This cement block, these are heavy, huge blocks, remember, that was found on the tracks, on the railway tracks in Ajmer. And this is barely 24 hours after an LPG gas cylinder was found on the tracks in Kanpur in Uttar Pradesh. We are told, according to our information, this 70-kilogram heavy cement block was found on the rail track in Rajasthan. These are two different states. And how did it land up there? Who put it and why? And why the agencies believe it's simply not a miscreant antisocial element, but much worse. Devankur Vadhavan joining me for the latest on that. Devankur, good morning. What is happening in this case? What are the details that you pick up? Because it's a different state, the police are probing it, but my concern is if the train had hit and collided, this could have led to a huge disaster.
Well, good morning, Pooja. Absolutely, it could have been a major disaster which perhaps has been averted. The first information report in this matter has been registered. It is believed that the incident pertains to Sunday, but fortunately, when the cement blocks were, allegedly kept,
Yes.
Who was the one responsible behind it? Whether there were multiple people or one person, and how did this come about is something which is a matter of investigation. We at India Today would not like to speculate unnecessarily about it, but the Railway Protection Force has registered an FIR in the matter and is investigating the entire matter. And is there any wider link or wider conspiracy is also, which is something is a matter of investigation, whether there is a wider plan to cause subversion or cause a major tragedy kind of an incident.
Okay.
That is something which is perhaps being also investigated. Pooja?
Keep tracking all the latest on that, Dev. Thank you very much for now. So remember, there are different angles, but if this is a joke or it's in a terror case, just imagine the repercussions that could have happened in this case. It was thankfully noticed just in time, but is there a building pattern on this? Is there a deliberate attempt to derail, sabotage and harm and hurt lives of people, innocent passengers on these trains? Now, why this is concerning and why the agencies have become more alarmed and alerted on this is because recently, remember, when in Uttar Pradesh, there was an LPG cylinder found that the train driver, that the train had collided with. Thankfully, nothing happened. Take a look at this report, why the agencies believe that there is this sudden spurt of incidents. And while it is being all sorted out right before any incident happens, is it going to be perhaps something that the agencies will have to, in more careful detail, look at?
Major disaster averted in Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. A passenger train hit an LPG cylinder placed on the railway tracks on Sunday. The loco pilot who saw the cylinder applied the emergency brakes, softening the impact. The cylinder was thrown off the tracks.
ये विजुअल्स अगर आप देखेंगे, यही वो सिलेंडर है भरा हुआ जो कल रात को कालिंदी एक्सप्रेस से टकराया और करीबन 50 मीटर तक घसीटते हुए ट्रैक से बाहर हो गया। हालत अगर आप इसकी देखेंगे तो देखेंगे कि कितनी बुरी तरीके से इसका इम्पैक्ट था कि लोहे की बॉडी जो है वो अंदर जा चुकी है और इसमें अच्छे खासे डेंट आपको देखने को मिलेंगे।
अभी हमारे सभी वरिष्ठ अधिकारियों ने मौका का मुआयना किया है और हम लोग चीजों को गंभीरता से देख रहे हैं।
Alongside the damaged LPG cylinder, the police recovered a bottle filled with petrol, matchboxes and other suspicious items from the area. The foiled attack comes days after a video emerged of Faratullah Gauri, the alleged terrorist who planned the 2002 Akshardham blast and 2024 Bengaluru Rameshwaram cafe blast, asking sleeper cells on video to carry out attacks on trains across India.
जो नए और कम तजुर्बेकार साथी हैं वो अपनी कार्रवाइयों का आगाज दुश्मन के खिलाफ इख्तिसादी जंग के जरिए कर सकते हैं। हमलो नकल के जराए यानी ट्रांसपोर्ट को तबाह करना, रेलवे लाइन को सबोताज करना इस तरह के अमल से दुश्मन को इक़्तिसादी नुकसान भी पहुंचेगा और इनके अंदर अफरा तफरी फैलेगी।
A political controversy has erupted after government sources sought to blame Rahul Gandhi for the foiled attack. The leader of the opposition had met a few railway employees and interacted with trackmen earlier this month. Government sources claimed Rahul Gandhi exposed sensitive information to anti-national elements with this video.
ये संयोग नहीं है, प्रयोग है। रेल की चूक से दुर्घटना नहीं हुई है, ये साजिश चल रही है। एलओपीजी का जुबान बंद, इस पर अखिलेश जी का जुबान बंद, क्योंकि साजिश करने वाले एक खास समुदाय के होंगे, आ जाएगा।
Opposition leaders lashed out at the centre and questioned the surge in railway accidents in recent years.
रेल मंत्री या रेलवे विभाग की हालत इस समय ये हो गई है कि ट्रेन जो है वो जमीन पे ज्यादा चल रही है, पटरी पे कम चल रही है। हर दिन कोई ना कोई दुर्घटना की खबर आती है। एक ही ट्रैक पर 2-2 ट्रेन, 3-3 ट्रेन आ जा रही है। ये कैसे हो रहा है?
A few weeks ago, Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav had claimed a disturbing trend in railway incidents and assured a probe in each and every case.
ईच एंड एवरी इंसिडेंट हम लोग डिटेल्ड इंक्वायरी कर रहे हैं और कई इंसिडेंट्स में बहुत ही एक वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग ट्रेंड सा दिख रहा है, जिसको सीरियसली लेना चाहिए।
At least 6 cases were reported in the last 2 months where trains hit objects placed on railway tracks. An investigation is underway to find if there's a conspiracy to target train services. With Simar Chawla in Kanpur, Bureau Report, India Today.